This video is for Year 10 General Pathway and it comes out of 2.6 question number 6. It involves the simplification of fractions where in this case they're being added or subtracted, whereas in the previous questions they are being multiplied. When they're being multiplied you can cancel common factors. When they're being added you can't. Remembering from the past, to be able to add two fractions together, you need to have the same denominator. So I need the common denominator. I've got 2 and I've got 5. I need to consider all the factors of 2, so it's all the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And of 5, 5, 10, 15. The lowest common multiple is 10. So I need to write them both over 10. What did we multiply 2 by to get 10? And I multiplied it by 5 on 5. Therefore 5 times x is 5x. What did I multiply 5 by to get 10? I multiplied it by 2. So I multiplied by 2 divided by 2 to give plus 2x. And that equals on the bottom 10 and on the top 5x plus 2x, 7x. In the second example, x plus 1 all over 3 plus x minus 1 all over 4. What's the lowest common multiple between 3 and 4? I go down the 3 times table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I go down the 4 times table, 4, 8, 12, 16. 12 is the lowest common multiple. So 12 will be my lowest common denominator. I need to multiply this one by 4 over 4. I've got 4 times x plus 1 plus, and I need to multiply this one by 3. So 3 times x minus 1. That's going to equal all over 12. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, which equals over 12. 4x plus 3x is 7x. 4 minus 3 is plus 1. In the third example, this is over 4 and that is over 8. So if I go down my 4 times table, 4, 8, 12, 8 is the lowest multiple. Therefore, I need to express them over 8. This one needs to be multiplied by 2 over 2 to get it over 8. So that becomes 2x. This one's already over 8. So I just write plus 3x plus 1. Which leaves me with an answer of 2x and 3x is 5x. Plus 1 over 8. Okay, 4 quick examples out of number 6. 6a. X over 2 plus x over 3 is going to equal all over 6. This gets multiplied by 2 over 2 to leave 2x. Sorry, that gets multiplied by 3 over 3 to give 3x. And this one gets multiplied by 2 over 2 to get 2x, and that leaves me with 5x on 6. Example D, I've got 2x on 3 minus x on 6. My lowest common multiple between 3 and 6 will be 6. So they're both over 6. This has to get multiplied by 2 divided by 2, so I have 4x, that's already over 6, which is minus x, to leave 3x over 6. Now in this case, my final answer isn't the simplest because I've got a common factor of 3. It goes into 3 once and into 6 twice to leave x on 2 as my answer. I'm going to go over the page. Okay, the last two examples. G is 4x on 3 minus 2y on 4, 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, 8, 12 is the lowest. Therefore, I wish to express them both out of 12. To get this out of 12, I timesed it by 4 on 4, so that gives me 16x. To get this out of 12, I timesed it by 3 on 3, which will give me minus 6y. Now my numerator has different terms. There's an x and a y. I can't combine them. But what I do notice is that in the 16 and in the 6, there's a common factor of 2. I'm going to take that common factor out, and that gives me 8x minus 3y all over 12. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 12 6 times, which leaves me 8x minus 3y all over 6. And in J's example, I've got x plus 6 all over 2 plus x plus 2 all over 3. My lowest common denominator is 6. I need to multiply this by 3 over 3. 3 times x plus 6 plus needs to be multiplied by 2 over 2. 2 times x plus 2. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. That's all over 6. 3x and 2x is 5x. 18 and 4 is 22. So that ends up being my answer.